Hello guys, today's we hunting a toys. Let's go. Follow me guys. Wow guys, look at this. So many toys. Ooh, so cool guys. We succeed hunting toys guys. Wow, what is this guys? Wow, it's Fairy Beetle guys. Ooh, yellow car. Ooh, so cool guys. And then what is this? Wow, it's a bulldozer truck guys. Ooh, so cool guys. Wow. What is this? Wow, it's a classic car. Ooh, the blue one is classic car. Ooh, cool guys. And then what is this? Wow, it's excavator truck. Ooh, cool. Excavator truck. Ooh, so cool guys. And what is this? Ooh, it's Morris car. It's Mini Cooper guys. It's red one. Ooh, so cool guys. Cool. And then what is this? Wow, it's bus. Wow, it's yellow bus. It's so cool guys. It's yellow bus. And then what is this? Ooh, it is a sport car. It's super car. Orange one guys. Ooh, so cool. And then what is this? Wow, it's a supercar, mini supercar. Look at this. Oh, so cool guys. It's mini supercar. And then what is this? Oh, it's a mini supercar. It's yellow one guys. Ooh, so cool guys. Let's take it out. And then what is this? Wow, it's a mini supercar. It's green one. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, what is this? Wow, this is dump truck. Ooh, dump truck yellow. Wow, it's very cool. Dump truck. And then what is it? Wow, it's a little dump truck. It's blue one and yellow one. Ooh, it's very cool guys. Wow, what is this? Oh, this is turtle. Ooh, so cute. Wow, it's a turtle toys. Ooh, so cute guys. And then what is this? Wow, it's dinosaur. It's T-Rex dinosaur. Ooh, wow. It's very cool. Ooh, dinosaur. And then what is this? Wow, it's a mixer truck. Oh, for cement or mixer trucks. It's blue one. Ooh, very cool guys. And then what is this? Oh, this is excavator truck. Oh, look at this. Oh, so cool guys. Excavator truck. And then what is this? Wow, it's a classic one. It's a classic car guys. Oh, it's very old car. Oh, it's very good. Cool. And then what is this? Wow, it's a tanker oil gas truck. Ooh, it's tanker oil gas truck. Oh, so cool guys. And then what is? Oh, this is orange bus. Oh, this, look at this. It's orange bus. It's very cool. Cool. Orange bus. Ooh, great. And then the big one is, what is this? Wow, it's excavator truck. Oh, look at this guys. It's very cool. Wow, it's super cool. Excavator truck. Cool. Now let's go home guys. Let's go.